Hi class, I'm Kay Nail and I'm going to be your instructor this semester for World History Part 1. And I want to take a few minutes of your time and go over the course with you, give you some tips and suggestions on how to be a successful student in this class. When you log into the course, obviously you'll be on the home page. I want you to take the time to go over these links and the information that I've provided with you on the home page. Once you've taken a look at the home page, then I'd like you to go to syllabus. So after you listen to this introduction message, syllabus is where I want you to go. As you'll notice, there are a couple of columns in your class in Canvas. On the far left is a UAB column that's static to all of your classes. I'd like to point out that you can go to Account to set up how you get notifications from Canvas and pull in a picture of yourself if you don't mind. Dashboard is where you can find all of your work that's scheduled for all of the classes that you have at UAB. Courses, that's self-explanatory. You can find all of your courses through this link. Course calendar, the UAB provides a Canvas calendar for you. You can always go to that calendar and pull up all of your classes to determine what assignments that you have due. Inbox, I want you to pay attention to inbox. Students, please communicate with me via Canvas inbox. I would prefer you not send a message to me outside in my email, but send it through Canvas. It will note the course that you're in, and it's easier for me to communicate back with you through Canvas. So please utilize Canvas inbox. If you need help with Canvas, select this question mark. There's another column inside Canvas that's links that are common in most of my classes. You'll see announcements. I will regularly announce in this class, make announcements to you. The first week or two I might announce pretty regularly, and then after that once a week or once every 2 weeks. So check your email. The announcements will come out of Canvas and come into your email box. Syllabus, again, when you get through listening to my message, go to syllabus and I'll have a message and an intro video for you there about the syllabus. Modules is where we will go next. After you listen to the syllabus intro video, then I want you to go to modules. Modules is where all of the work is kept that you're going to be responsible for this semester. All of your coursework is in modules. Everything that you'll do for this class is located inside modules. So that's going to be very important for you. You want to keep up with your grades. Today everybody's going to make an A in class, right? So go to grades. You can keep up with your grades. After I post a grade for you for a writing assignment, you'll see a dialog bubble next to your points. Select that and you can read my feedback on your writing assignments. People are your classmates if you need to get in touch with them. If we need to meet, I'll be glad to do so via Zoom, or I'll be glad to talk with you by phone, or we can chat, however you want to do it. Conferences, any way, any method is fine with me. And then Lockdown Browser, we do, for this course, we will be giving exams using Lockdown Browser and a webcam. So you will go here when it's closer to time for you to take your exam and set up an account with Lockdown Browser. I've also left in links for the library if you need it, Office 365 and the like. So UAB offers a lot of help to students. I encourage you to use those resources while you're a student at UAB. As usual, class, I want you to keep in touch with me. Let me know if I can help you in any way. But next, I want you to go to the syllabus and let's take a look at that document. Thanks.